Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start solving exercise 21 from chapter Solids. So starting with question number 1. First question is MCQs and there are 7 MCQs. A. The area of a square on the diagonal of a cube is 48 square centimeter. Each edge of the cube is. Area of a square on the diagonal of a cube. So there is a cube and cube का diagonal consider करना है. So there is a cube. The diagonal of the cube. So diagonal क्या होगा? Suppose I consider this edge. तो इसका diagonally opposite edge ये है, right? So ये edge के top से लेके ये diagonally opposite edge के bottom तक जो मैं diagonal draw कर रही हूँ, this is the diagonal, okay? The area of a square on the diagonal of a cube, that is, you're taking this diagonal, okay? And this diagonal is the side of a square. Alright, so I'll repeat. The area of a square on the diagonal of a cube, that is, cube consider किया, cube का जो diagonal है, the diagonal is taken as the side of a square. Okay, so I'll mark the diagonal with different color. ये जो है, this diagonal is taken as the side of a square. So diagonal के length को side लेके एक square consider करना है. Now the area of this square on the diagonal of a cube is 48 square centimeter. Taking this diagonal length, ये जो length है, okay, D, इसको साइड लेके एक स्क्वायर कंसिडर किया है. ओके, सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द स्टेटमेंट? द एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर, द एरिया ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर on the diagonal of a cube, that is taking the diagonal of the cube as the side of the square, the area is 48 square centimeter. Area of the square is 48 square centimeter. ये diagonal को साइड लेके एक स्क्वायर ड्रॉ किया है. All right. Now we need to find out the edge of the cube. Each edge of the cube, that is side of the cube, find out करना है. A find out करना है. ठीक है? Each side of the cube you need to find out. Okay. For that, if we know the diagonal, अगर diagonal of cube मिल गया, then मैं side easily find out कर सकती हूँ using the formula. Alright, so first I need to find out the length of the diagonal. Okay, जिसको side लिया है square का. Alright, so square का area क्या होता है? Area of square is nothing but side square. And यहाँ पे side is nothing but the diagonal of the cube. Okay, diagonal को हम लोग side ले रहे हैं. ठीक है? This is D, this is D, this is D, this is D. Okay. So side square is equal to the area. Now 48 square centimeter, that is area is 48, so 48 is equal to D square. Taking square root, root 48 is equal to D. This is not a perfect square, so इसका square root लेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? You're going to get 16 3s are 48, right? So that will be 4 root 3. ये 4 root 3 मिलेगा, so D is 4 root 3. If you are finding this difficult, square root of 48, क्या करो? Factorize करो. Factorize 48. 2 24s are 2, 12s are 2, 6s are 2, 3s are 3, 1s are. Since there is square root, तो 2 2 का ग्रुप बनाओ. ठीक है? 2 सेम नंबर्स का ग्रुप. So 2 and 2, 2 and 2, and ये 3 रह गया. All right. So दो में से एक 2 बाहर आएगा, ये दो में से एक 2 बाहर आएगा, and this will remain inside the root. 3 will remain inside the root. So 3 will remain inside the root, and 2 into 2, that is 4. So you will get 4 root 3. All right. So D is 4 root 3. सो डायगोनल ऑफ द क्यूब वी गॉट 4√3 है. साइड फाइंड आउट करना है, ए फाइंड आउट करना है. नाउ व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन द डायगोनल ऑफ द क्यूब एंड द साइड ऑफ द क्यूब? Diagonal of the cube is nothing but √3 into side. Right? You are supposed to remember the formulae. So सारे formulae याद रखो students. So diagonal of the cube is equal to √3 into its side. Diagonal we got as 4√3. Diagonal is 4√3. So it is √3 into a. √3 cancel हो गया. So 4 is equal to a. That is a is equal to 4. So do rough working, थोड़ा सा rough working करो, and in case you are having problem in understanding this question, ये diagram draw करो, ठीक है? So I'll repeat, the area of a square on the diagonal of a cube, that is you are considering a square, okay, which is drawn taking diagonal as its side, okay? ये diagonal जो है, it is taken as its side and a square is considered. The area of the square is 48 square centimeter. तो ये square separately consider किया. एरिया इज 48. एरिया के हेल्प से मुझे साइड मिल जाएगा. दिस साइड इज नथिंग बट द डायगोनल, जो डायगोनल का लेंथ है. ओके, सो डायगोनल मिल जाएगा. डायगोनल के हेल्प से आई फाइंड आउट द साइड ऑफ द क्यूब. आई नो द रिलेशन बिटवीन द डायगोनल एंड द साइड ऑफ द क्यूब. डायगोनल इज इक्वल टू √3 टाइम्स द साइड. सो आई गेट द साइड विच इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. एरिया यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर में दिया है, तो डायगोनल भी सेंटीमीटर में होगा एंड साइड भी सेंटीमीटर में होगा. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सेकेंड ऑप्शन. सो फॉर ए, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज द आंसर 4 सेंटीमीटर. ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट MCQ. B. A cuboid has length equal to 4 centimeter, breadth equal to 3 centimeter, and diagonal equal to 13 centimeter. The volume of the cuboid is. For a cuboid, we have length 4 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter, and diagonal 13 centimeter. We need to find out the volume. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So I have length and breadth, but I need to find out height. So height मुझे कैसे मिलेगा? Using the relation between diagonal, length, breadth and height. Diagonal of a cuboid D is equal to root of L square plus B square plus H square. Right? You're supposed to remember the formulae, students. So D का वैल्यू पता है, D is 13. Root of L is 4 squared. B is 3 squared, and H we don't know. Taking squares on both the sides, that is squaring on both the sides, 13 squared हो जाएगा and ये रूट हट जाएगा. ओके, सो रूट का स्क्वायर होगा, सो बेसिकली रूट हट जाएगा. ओके, सो 13 का स्क्वायर 169 एंड ओवर हियर 4 स्क्वायर दैट इज 16, 3 square that is 9 plus h square. All right, so 169 is equal to 25 plus h square. 25 को शिफ्ट करेंगे, 169 minus 25 that is 144 is equal to h square. So h is equal to 12, taking square root on both the sides. 144 का square root 12 and यहाँ पे h. So h is equal to 12 centimeter. h मिल गया. Now volume is equal to length is 4, breadth is 3 and h is 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 12s are 144. So 144 cubic centimeter होगा, right? So third option, this is the answer. So for B, third option is the correct answer. All right, 144 cubic centimeter. Next MCQ. C. A cuboid with dimensions 12 centimeter by 9 centimeter by 2 centimeter is made of a metal. It is melted and recast into a solid cube. The edge of the cube is. Now over here there is a cuboid. Cuboid है which is made up of a metal. Okay. It is melted and recast into a solid cube. तो ये एक सॉलिड क्यूबॉइड है. यू आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर अ सॉलिड क्यूबॉइड. यहाँ पे हॉलो या कुछ मेंशन नहीं है, सो इट इज अ सॉलिड क्यूबॉइड. ओके, सो दिस सॉलिड क्यूबॉइड विच इज मेड अप ऑफ मेटल, ये पूरा मेटल से भरा हुआ है. ठीक है. दिस क्यूबॉइड इज मेल्ट एंड recast into a cube. So the entire metal is used to make a cube. ओके, ये पूरा का पूरा मेटल मेल्ट किया, ये क्यूबॉइड को मेल्ट किया एंड क्यूब के शेप में लेकर आए हैं. ठीक है. सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ मेटल यूज्ड टू मेक क्यूबॉइड is same as the volume of metal used to make this cube. ये पूरा क्यूब सेम अमाउंट ऑफ मेटल से बना है, जो अमाउंट ऑफ मेटल क्यूबॉइड में लगा था. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड is equal to the volume of cube, because the metal used over here, the quantity of metal used over here is same as that of the quantity of metal used over here. ये पूरा का पूरा इसमें यूज किया है to make this. So volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cube. Volume of cuboid formula क्या है? It is L into B into H, length into breadth into height. Volume of cube is side cube. Now let's have a look at the information. A cuboid with dimensions 12 centimeter, 9 centimeter by 2 centimeter, that is length, breadth, height दिया हुआ है. Okay, L is 12, B is 9, H is 2. So volume of cuboid I know, value मिल जाएगा. I need to find out the edge of the cube. Now edge of the cube is nothing but the side. Okay, ये edges. This is nothing but the side. Okay, so side is nothing but A. So I need to find out the value of A, edge of the cube. Okay, so ये find out करना है. Now over here, when you multiply this, 12 into 9 into 2, 12 into 2, 24 into 9. 9 4s are 36, 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21, 216 मिलेगा. Okay. This is a perfect cube. 6 का cube is 216, right? So when you take square root 216 का, sorry, cube root, when you take cube root 216 का cube root 6 हो जाएगा and a cube का cube root a हो जाएगा, right? So a is 6 सेंटीमीटर. ये सेंटीमीटर में था तो ये भी सेंटीमीटर में ही मिलेगा. ठीक है. So a is 6 सेंटीमीटर. अनदर मेथड इज, इसको ही फैक्टराइज कर लो. ठीक है, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई मत करो, यहीं पे फैक्टराइज कर लो. सो 12 क्या मिलेगा? 12 इज 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, 9 इज 3 इंटू 3 एंड इंटू 2 है, राइट? क्यूब है, सो मेक ग्रुप ऑफ 3. सो 3 3s and 3 2s. सो 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 and 3 into 3 into 3, right? When you take cube root, okay, तो 3 में से एक 2 and 3 3s में से एक 3, that is 2 into 3, that is a is 6. All right, so another method is this, or multiply the numbers, you will get 216. If you're thorough with cubes, cube roots, squares and square roots, then this is very easy. All right, so a का value is 6 centimeter. So first option is the correct answer. Students, please don't look at the options. पहले solve करो हमेशा, ठीक है? So solve and then look at the options. It might confuse you sometimes. So 6 centimeter is the answer. Next MCQ. D, the dimensional ratio of the sides of a cuboid is 3:2:1. If its volume is 1296 cubic centimeter, the actual dimensions of the cuboid are. The dimensional ratio of the sides of a cuboid is 3:2:1. Dimensions of cuboid क्या होता है? It is length, breadth and height. Right? Length, breadth and height are the dimensions of the cuboid. L, B and H. The ratio of the dimensions is given. It is 3:2:1. So you will go in this order, students. Always dimensions जब भी दिया है, dimensions is always given in this order. Okay, normal cases always it will be in this order. Length, breadth and height. Okay, so L is to B is to H is 3:2:1. First one corresponds to the first value, second one to the second and third one to the third. ठीक है, so L corresponds to 3, B corresponds to 2 and H corresponds to 1. Ratio दिया है, so there is some common factor, some common number which is cancelled out. Let that common factor or common number be X. Okay, so if X is the common factor, then L is 3X, B is 2X and H is 1X or X. Correct? So length, breadth and height ये होगा in terms of X. We need to find out the actual dimensions, that is the values of L, B and H. Actual values क्या है ये find out करना है. For that we are given the volume. Volume is 1296 cubic centimeter. Volume of the cuboid is 1296 cubic centimeter. Volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Right? L is 3X, B is 2X, H is 1X. ये solve करके X मिल जाएगा. Okay, once we get the value of X, we can easily find out length, breadth and height. Now students, ये case में actually if you look at the options, देखिए अगर हम लोग options को, then you can easily figure out that this is the answer. Why? Length, breadth and height ये order में दिया है. Your length and breadth are having same values. यहाँ पे भी and यहाँ पे तीनों का values same है. That is not the possible case, right? ये possible ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. Why? If you look at the ratio, there are 3 different numbers. So numbers ही different है यहाँ पे, ratio ही अलग है. Then how can the values of length, breadth and height be same? It is not possible. So ये थर्ड केस तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है एंड फर्स्ट 2 भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. राइट? लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ का रेशियो क्या है? 3 and 2 है. सो दे विल बी हैविंग डिफरेंट वैल्यूज. सो तीनों का डिफरेंट वैल्यूज यहाँ पे ही दिया हुआ है. सो दिस विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, बट दिस इज अ लकी केस. ठीक है, ऐसा हर बार नहीं हो सकता है. सो आई वुड ऑलवेज सजेस्ट दैट यू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाइंग 3 into 2 into 1 6, x into x into x, x cube. So x cube is equal to 1296 by 6. 6 2s are 6 1s are 3 बचेगा 6 6s are. So x cube is equal to 216. Taking cube roots on both the sides, x is equal to 6. Right? 216 का cube root is 6. Now students, in case you don't know, factorize करो. ठीक है, start factorizing. Divisible by 2, so 2 1s are 0s are 8s are 2 54s are 2 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 2s है 3 3s है. When you take cube root, make a group of 3 same numbers. 3 में से एक ही नंबर बाहर आएगा. So only 1 2 and 1 3 when you take cube root, that is 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. Okay, so x is 6. Putting the value of x, we'll get 18 12 and 6. Right? So for D, fourth option is the correct answer. Length is 18 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter, and height is 6 centimeter. All right. Next MCQ. E. A tank with dimensions 12 meter, 10 meter and 8 meter is dug and the soil taken out of it is spread uniformly on a field of length equal to 40 meter and breadth equal to 32 meter. The rise and level of the field is. So there is a ground and the ground is dug to form a tank. So there is a flat ground, okay, एक flat ground है and उसको dig करके the soil is taken out to form a rectangular tank, that is a cuboid shaped tank. 3 dimensions होगा, right? So let's say this is the tank that is dug, okay? यहाँ पे अंदर में tank dig किया है, all right? So the dimensions of the tank are given. The dimensions of the tank are 12, 10 and 8, that is length, breadth and height is given. Now जब ये tank dig किया है, okay, when the tank is dug, the soil is taken out and this soil is spread out on a rectangular field. Okay, so ये tank जब dig किया है ground के अंदर, this is the ground level, okay, इसको dig किया and ये एक tank form हुआ है cuboid shape. तो ये quantity का whatever soil is taken out, the volume of the soil taken out, this volume of soil is spread out on this rectangular field. All right. Now, when this soil is spread out on this rectangular field, it is occupying the area of this field. Okay, यही area का है. But it will have some thickness. That is, it will occupy some space in terms of height as well. Right? Because when you spread it out, it will have some thickness. Correct? Let's say मैंने यहाँ से sand निकाला, sand निकाल के इसके ऊपर spread किया. That sand का layer will be having some thickness. That layer will have some thickness, right? So what is that thickness? What is that rise in level? We need to find out. So a cuboid shaped tank is dug and the soil that is taken out is emptied over here on this rectangular field. Now this soil will be occupying this shape. Okay, it will be taking this shape. But it will have some thickness, okay, that is the level of the ground will rise. So what is that rise in the level of the field? We need to find out. Over here, इसका जो volume है, it will be equal to the volume of the soil that is spread out over here. Basically, over here, it is in the shape of the cuboid. So what is the volume of cuboid? It is length into breadth into height, right? Here as well, the soil will have the shape of a cuboid. Why? It has some length, it has some breadth and it will have some height. Correct? So the rise in level is nothing but the height. Okay, so we need to find out the height. So volumes are equal. जो soil यहाँ से निकाला है वही यहाँ पे spread out किया है. Volumes are equal. What is the rise in level of the height when the soil is spread out on this field? We need to find out. So let's see. Very easy, students, extremely easy. Okay. So for the tank, we are given length, breadth and height. For the tank which is dug, it is 12, 10 and 8. And for the field on which this soil is spread out, यहाँ से जो soil निकाला है, it is spread out on the field. Length is given, it is 40 meter, breadth 32 meter. When the soil is spread out, that soil will increase the height of the field, that is the height of the ground will increase. Minute amount में होगा लेकिन it will increase. So this increase in height, the rise in level, we need to find out. Okay. Volume is going to be equal because यहाँ से जो soil निकाला है वही यहाँ पे spread out किया है. So the volumes will be equal. Volume of the tank is L into B into H. Your volume of the field same because it is a rectangular field. Rectangular field है and with some height. Okay, so it is nothing but capital L into capital B into capital H. Put the values, you'll easily get the value of H. So 12 into 10 into 8 is equal to 40 into 32 into h. 40 and 32 शिफ्ट करते हैं, so 12 into 10 into 8 upon 40 into 32 is equal to h. Make sure सेम यूनिट्स है, ठीक है, मीटर मीटर होना चाहिए, सो मीटर सेंटीमीटर नहीं ले सकते हैं, चेंज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. सो 0 0 कैंसिल, 4 3 ज़ा 8 4 ज़ा, राइट. सो वी आर गेटिंग 3/4, दैट इज हाइट इज 0.75 मीटर होगा, राइट. सो हाइट इज 0.75 मीटर. 0.75 meter is not given over here in the option. Centimeter में there are two other options. So let's convert this in centimeter. Meter से centimeter you divide by 100, right? So sorry, you multiply by 100. Bigger to smaller unit you multiply by 100. Smaller to bigger you divide. So 0.75 into 100 centimeter, right? So it will be 75 centimeter. Alright, so the rise in level of the field is 75 centimeter. So when the soil is spread out on the field, 75 centimeter का height increase होगा. Okay, so again this will be in the shape of cuboid. पूरा rectangular है with some height, so that is the shape of a cuboid. Okay, so third option is the correct answer. So for E, third option is the answer, 75 centimeter. All right. Next MCQ. F through the pipe of uniform cross section, that is 12 square centimeter, water flows with the speed of 20 centimeter per second. The volume of water that flows in 1 minute is. So through a pipe of uniform cross section 12 square centimeter, let's say this is the pipe, okay. Now the pipe has a cross section of 12 square centimeter, that is the cross section ka area is given to you. All right, so the area of cross section of the pipe is 12 square centimeter. So area of cross section of pipe is 12 square centimeter. Okay, and water is flowing through this pipe. All right, through the pipe having so and so uniform cross section, water flows with the speed of 20 centimeter per second. Speed of water is given. Speed of water is 20 centimeter per second. Now notice यहाँ पे स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर दिया है, यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर दिया है, यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है, सो परफेक्ट. ओके, सेंटीमीटर मीटर यू कैन नॉट रिलेट, सो कन्वर्जन करना पड़ेगा. नाउ वाटर इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू दिस पाइप हैविंग एरिया ऑफ 12 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है. व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ द वाटर? इट इज 20 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड, दैट इज इट इज ट्रैवलिंग अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 20 सेंटीमीटर इन 1 सेकेंड. ओके, सो लेट्स से 20 सेंटीमीटर यहाँ है, इतना है, ठीक है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. सो यहाँ से लेके ये एंड से लेके ये एंड तक वाटर इज फ्लोइंग इन 1 सेकेंड. 20 centimeter it is covering in 1 second. So water is flowing through this area and covering 20 centimeter in 1 second. So what is the volume of water flowing in 1 second? Now what will be the volume of water flowing through this pipe in 1 second? Volume is nothing but area of cross section into height, right? We have done that in introduction part, students. In case it is not clear, please refer to the video. I have attached the link in description. So volume of water flowing through this pipe will be area into the height, right? Area of cross section अगर पता है, so area into the height will give you the volume of that object, right? यहाँ पे water का बात हो रहा है, so area of cross section into the height will give me the volume of the water flowing through this pipe. Okay, so over here volume of water flowing in 1 second कितना होगा? 1 सेकेंड में 20 सेंटीमीटर कवर कर रहा है, डिस्टेंस इज 120 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। एरिया कितना है? 12 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर। सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लोइंग इन 1 सेकेंड इज नथिंग बट द एरिया इनटू द हाइट, दैट इज द डिस्टेंस। ओके, हाइट बोलो या डिस्टेंस बोलो, ओके, हाइट और डिस्टेंस इन 1 सेकेंड। ओके, सो 1 सेकेंड में लेट्स से दिस इज द 20 सेंटीमीटर का लेंथ, ठीक है। तो 1 सेकेंड में यहां से यहां तक फ्लो हो रहा है, दैट इज बेसिकली 1 सेकेंड में इतना वॉल्यूम कवर कर रहा है, राइट। सो एरिया इज 12, हाइट इज नथिंग बट 20, ओके, डिस्टेंस इज 20। यहां से यहां तक 1 सेकेंड में 20 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस है, 20 सेंटीमीटर का हाइट है, ओके। सो हाइट बोलो या डिस्टेंस बोलो, यू कैन टेक डिस्टेंस, ठीक है। सो इट इज 20, दैट इज इट इज कवरिंग 240 cubic centimeter of volume in 1 second, okay। 1 second में it is वो 240 cubic centimeter of volume is flowing, ठीक है। इतना पानी फ्लो हो रहा है through this pipe, all right। now 1 minute में कितना फ्लो होगा? You need to find out the volume of water that flows in 1 minute. So it's very easy now. ये एक बार मिल गया तो फिर बहुत easy है। Volume and time. In 1 second, 240 cubic centimeter. In 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. How much volume? Now just use unitary method. 240 upon x is equal to 1 upon 60, correct? Let's say x cubic centimeter of water is flowing in 60 seconds. 240 upon x is equal to 1 upon 60. यूनिट सेम होना चाहिए, ये सेकेंड्स में तो ये भी सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करना है। सो 240 बाई एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 60। सो 240 बाई एक्स इज 1 बाई 60। सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट x इज इक्वल टू 240 इंटू 60, दैट इज 14400 cubic centimeter. I'll repeat students, there is a pipe जिसका क्रॉस सेक्शन दिया हुआ है, ओके। सो पाइप इज नॉर्मली सर्क्यूलर, सो सर्क्यूलर पाइप ही कंसिडर किया है। एरिया दिया हुआ है, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इज गिवन। नाउ वाटर इज फ्लोइंग विद अ स्पीड ऑफ 20 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड, सो इट इज कवरिंग 20 सेंटीमीटर, ओके। लेट्स से ये 20 सेंटीमीटर है, तो 20 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है इन 1 सेकेंड। सो 1 सेकेंड में इतना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फ्लो हो रहा है, राइट। यहां से लेके यहां तक जितना पानी है 1 सेकेंड में उतना फ्लो हो रहा है। सो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम? आई कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट, इट इज एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इनटू द हाइट, करेक्ट। सो एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इनटू द हाइट, दैट इज द डिस्टेंस। एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन इज 12, this is 20, so that is 240 cubic centimeter in 1 second. 240 cubic centimeter in 1 second, so how much in 60 seconds? 60 seconds में और पानी फ्लो होगा, more water is going to flow, okay, so 60 times, basically जितना फ्लो हो रहा है उसका 60 times, okay, 1 second में जितना फ्लो हो रहा है उसका 60 times, you just have to multiply by 60, okay, so that is 14400 cubic centimeter. It is not given over here, meter cube में दिया हुआ है, so let's convert it. So सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? डिवाइड, स्मॉलर टू बिगर यू डिवाइड, राइट। सो 100 सेंटीमीटर इज 1 मीटर, सो डिवाइड बाय 100, 100, 100, वाई 3 टाइम्स? बिकॉज क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर है, ओके, 3 टाइम्स सेंटीमीटर है, सो डिवाइड बाय 100, डिवाइड बाय 100, डिवाइड बाय 100, सो डिवाइड बाय 100 इंटू 100 इंटू 100, ओके। सो 0 0 0 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 4 zeros मिलेगा, राइट, डिनोमिनेटर में, दैट इज 10,000। Now when you divide by 10,000, that is 4 zeros, 4 times it is going to shift, the decimal place will shift 4 times. So 4, 4, 1 and 0, 3 numbers तो हो गया, उसके बाद 0 पुट कर देंगे and decimal point put करो. So decimal point will be after 4 numbers. So 1, 2, 3 and एक 0 add करो and then put a decimal point. So 0.0144 cubic meter. Okay. So first option is the correct answer. For F, 0.0144 cubic meter is the answer. Alright. Last MCQ. G. In the given figure, all the dimensions are given in centimeter. The volume of the solid is extremely easy, students. You need to find out the volume of this solid. Now, in such cases, volume will be equal to area of cross section into the height. Okay. So, यहाँ पे मैं area of cross section easily find out कर सकती हूँ. This cross section is in the shape of a trapezium. Right, this is the shape of a trapezium. You have two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides, right? So parallel sides का length दिया हुआ है. This is 7. ये side का length 7 है, ये side का length 13 है. Okay. So length of parallel sides is given. The height is also given. ये जो 3 दिया है, this is the height. Okay, height from year to year. This. That is the distance between the parallel sides. This is 3. So I have length of the parallel sides, I have the distance between them, and this will give me the area of cross section, right? That is the area of the trapezium. So area of trapezium, it will be half into the sum of the parallel sides, right? Sum of the parallel sides into the height. Parallel sides का length पता है, height भी पता है. So area of trapezium will be half into 7 plus 13 into the height, that is 3. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, that is 3. Okay. So area of trapezium मिल जाएगा. Sorry, this is 3. Area of trapezium मिल जाएगा. This area of cross section into its length, okay, area of cross section into the length will give me the volume of that solid. Okay, if I need to find out the volume of this duster is not a perfect example, ये pen consider करो, ठीक है, ऐसे. So area of cross section into the height will give me the volume of this solid, volume of this pipe. Okay, so it is nothing but area of cross section into the height. So area of cross section is this, area of the trapezium into the height of the solid, that is this, that is the length. Okay, that is 20. So volume of the solid is nothing but area of cross section into the length or the height of that object. Okay, I am not writing height because यहाँ पे already height use किया है, ठीक है. So into length. Okay, so area of cross section is this, half into 7 plus 13 into 3. This is the area of cross section. Length कितना है? 20. So volume of the solid is half into 7 plus 13 into 3 into 20. So last option. Alright. So whenever they have asked the volume of a solid, if you know how to find out the area of cross section, then area of cross section into its length or height will give me the volume of that solid. Alright, so area of cross section is nothing but area of trapezium. Area of trapezium into the height of the object or length of the object will give me the volume. So this is the volume. Alright, so for G, fourth option is the correct answer. Half into 7 plus 13 into 3, that is this is the area of cross section, into the height. All right, that is the length. So area into the length will give me the volume of that solid. All right, cubic centimeter, don't forget the unit.